breaking shortly. Shiba Inu will be a dollar dog. When looking ahead, how promising are the Shiba Inu token's chances? Where can I find the most recent updates regarding this cryptocurrency? In today's video, I'll explain all you need to know. Greetings, and thank you for tuning into the channel for the rich in coins. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe button so you don't miss any future uploads. Shiba Inu is now trading at 11 cents USD with a 24-hour volume of $301 million USD. In real time, we adjust the value of SHIB in US dollars. Shiba Inu prices have dropped 2.47% during the past day. Sheepish investors are currently waiting for the market to reach a new high. Over the past few days, volatility in assets and trading volume have dropped. This demonstrates that the consolidation period came before the new movement, with prices remaining contained inside a tight range, often signaling a subsequent significant breakthrough. A tight trading range between 50 cents in support and 55 cents in resistance emerged for the SHIB price at this time. Because the pair has broken out of the descending triangle, it appears that the downward trend has paused for the time being. It is possible that the SHIB coin will resume its upward trend if the bulls are actively trading it. As more tokens have been destroyed, the value of Shiba Inu coins has increased. But as supply drops and demand rises, the price ought to go up. Many hopeful investors have already amassed multi-million-dollar fortunes by betting on this viral coin. The market for Shiba Inus will continue to rise as a result of the many exciting opportunities that exist for this breed. Its inexpensive pricing is another selling point that brings in a steady stream of customers. In a blog post published this past July, Shiba Inu creator Satoshi Kusama updated users on the project's progression in Siberian Layer 2 protocol development on the platform is proceeding normally. This upgrade will make it possible for users to transact small amounts of value using Shiba Inu-based decentralized applications, DEPs, by paying only a small amount of gas. As part of this process, the team has brought on a number of fresh, creative minds to build the user experience of the platform and the associated web portals. The post added that the beta release date has not yet been set by the developers. It is also anticipated that a stablecoin will debut this year, after the collapse of other stablecoins, which resulted in multi-million-dollar losses. Kusama admits that its development is cause for concern. The post notes that a team of engineers is working on creating such a coin that will not have the issues that have plagued previous moonshots. This means she can be utilized for trades even if the market is volatile. Methods for conducting an experiment. Once it's finalized, more information will be released. Shiba Inu-themed games and the metaverse, like the Shiba collectible card game, will soon have access to a new token goodie that can be exchanged for in-game advantages. Members of the breed who have worked tirelessly over many years to earn public trust in the organization are eligible to receive a small number of these coins as a token of appreciation. There will be simultaneous releases of the post-metaverse and card game. It was announced. Skybus, the Shiba Inu community's native metaverse, was declared to have arrived in the ecosystem in January of this year, and since then, digital currency, games, virtual land, and memes have all proliferated over the internet. It'll be a hit with people who want to see what's out there in the vastness of space and time. Recently, the team released the latest information regarding the collectible card game Shiba Maternity. The renowned AAA game studio Placide Studios is working closely with the team to create this game. There is no doubt that the firm will encounter competition from other companies operating in the metaverse. The Shiba Inu ecosystem is a good example of a decentralized group that faces challenges competing with the resources of multinational corporations in the technology industry. There is only one option for it to compete in this market, and that is to introduce groundbreaking concepts to both the metaverse gaming and NFT markets. Nothing new has emerged thus far. It will also be interesting to see how the impending Ethereum integration influences the price of Shiba Inu coins. The decreased gas prices and increased number of transactions per second are two of the most anticipated modifications. All of these are huge milestones for the Shiba ecosystem, and it stands to reason that they would have an impact on the value of the cryptocurrency. In fact, 82% of the panel agreed that meme coin hype will have a substantial impact on the price of Shiba Inu this year, leading finders to infer that excitement will continue to be the driving force behind the value of SHIB. The fact that it is available on major broker platforms like Robinhood has helped boost its popularity among a sizable minority, 41% of investors. Because of the introduction of Shiba Swap, Shiba Inu's growth pattern is consistent with that of other cryptocurrencies. The value of a Shiba Inu can be significantly impacted by the price of Bitcoin. Dogs with Shiba Inu coats tend to follow the trend of Bitcoin, cost similar to other digital currencies. When the value of Bitcoin rises, so does the price of Shiba Inus. To sum up, the improvements introduced by Shiba Inu currency have generated a great deal of excitement. However, its future is fraught with a great deal of doubt. Therefore, before putting money into the currency, investors should do their own due diligence. Shiba Inu and other meme currencies may benefit from Elon Musk's recent purchase of Twitter. In light of Musk's enthusiasm, it's conceivable that the social networking site will begin to place a greater emphasis on cryptocurrency. Google Cloud and Coinbase released a joint statement earlier this month, announcing their partnership to aid in the creation of Web 3.0 applications. Some customers will be given the option to pay with SHIB and other cryptocurrencies, waiting to see if the decision is adopted and if other companies decide to follow suit. Sellers of Shiba Inu SHIBs on the daily chart have signaled their intention to undermine the recently discovered purchasing surge. The meme token couldn't get over the $0.1 to $9 barrier zone close to its high liquidity area. Recent selling pressure resulted in a test of support at the 50 EMA, indicating that selling momentum has increased. The token's recovery prospects may be tracked, in part, by its proximity to the 103-cent support. The price of SHIB had dropped over 8.56% in the previous day, to 1,091 cents as of publication. SHIB's 34% gain after bouncing off the 984 cents baseline support was highly correlated to Dogecoin surge. After being firmly rejected near the 129 cents level, she sank below its crucial 118 cents barrier previous support, resulting in a bullish flag shape on the daily time frame. So the bears negated the flag's bullish potential, while the squad is once again pointing south. The buyers should be on the lookout for a bearish crossover with the 50 EMA. An obstacle close to 118 cents resistance can be encountered by any counterbuys, whether they come quickly or later. Possible short-term chances exist close to this ceiling if it were to suddenly break down. A successful close above here may trigger a retracement to the $0.1 to $9 resistance zone. If SHIB's recent selling momentum holds, the first major support zone between 103 cents and $0.984 could prove to be a durable floor. Meanwhile, at this very moment, the relative strength indicator was trending southward, well below the neutral zero line. Any further dip below the 50-point line will have a depressing effect on buying activity. In any case, the purchasers should anticipate a possible recovery from uneven volume support. It is possible that a bullish divergence will be formed if the price makes a strong recovery. QB's recent decline resulted in a negative position on its 30-day MV readings, as seen by data from Sentiment. This number merely suggested the bears had a little advantage, and it was consistent with the low numbers seen on its daily technicals. The open interest in the token has also dropped by more than 16.5% in the past day. This fall was just like the price drop. As the number of actions decreases, their intensity increases. Buyers can measure the likelihood of a turnaround by keeping tabs on the daily fluctuations in open interest. There was a 30-day correlation of 88% between the alt and Bitcoin, suggesting that monitoring Bitcoin's price in connection to market mood could be crucial for spotting any bullish invalidations. Shiba Inu, Shiba